Hey guys, so I got another early morning package waiting for me when I woke up. Sega Catcher Online. I know you guys don't really get to see what I catch on those until I unbox them, so let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so Sega had an exclusive plushie, limited. Aside from the Nana cheese that I'm getting a lot of demand for from Valentine's Day, so I thought I'd win a bunch of these. They are the Nico USA bunnies for Valentine's Day. Lolly, I think, is what her name is, and I'd have to look up hers again. Or his, hers, whatever. So I won 6 of these after complaining about their machine. And then I also, for spending money on Sega Online Catcher, I get a lot of these Love Live campaign stuff. So for this one, it's a bunch of clear folders from Sunshine. So, toss that over there. I got a box of bunnies and some folders. Just a reminder guys, I am almost to 300 for my subs on YouTube, so if you guys can help me out and share, that's great. I will be giving away a Yeast Ken and a Shaman plushie. And then I've also got the Valentine's Day Kirby giveaway with the chocolates, the heart-holding Kirby, the chocolate-eating Kirby, and the booby pudding from Hero DXD. So, feel free to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys. Talk to you later.